Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to make circuits. So in this chapter we are going to understand what is circuit diagram, what is the meaning of a symbol, how to draw a circuit diagram and how to read the circuit diagram. So let's first start with the what is circuit diagram. So circuit diagram is nothing but a visual presentation of an electrical circuit with the help of electrical symbols. So there are some standard symbols used in industry. So the symbol or electrical part usage is depend upon the function of the circuit. So as you can see in these two figures, the first figure represents a circuit diagram with the help of images or a picture of the components. But the second figure represents a circuit diagram with the help of a symbol of the electronic component. So as you can see, this is a battery, this is a switch, and this is the LED bulb. Here the images of the components are given. But in the second image, if you can see, there are the symbols of the components used. So this is the symbol of a battery, this is the symbol of a switch, and this is the symbol of a bulb. So let's first understand what are the symbols of a different components which we are going to use in the electronic circuit. So this is a symbol of a resistor. The second one is a symbol of a variable resistor. If you compare these two, then these two symbols looks similar. The only difference is that there is one arrow over the symbol of variable resistor. This arrow represents that the resistance will be variable. Then this is a symbol of a light dependent resistor, that is LDR. This symbol is again a little bit similar with the symbol of resistor, but the difference is that here two arrows are pointing towards this resistor. It means that a light is going to fall on this LDR. Then we have a symbol of a battery. So this is a single cell battery and this is a multi-cell battery where a shorter line represents negative terminal and a longer line represents positive terminal. Then this is a symbol of a ground. Next, this is a symbol of a push button. This is a symbol of a LED. The third one is a symbol of a diode. If you compare the symbol of diode and LED, these two symbols are again a bit similar with each other, where this triangle represents anode and this vertical line represents a cathode terminal. In LED symbol, there are two arrows pointing outward. These two arrows represent that LED is gonna emit the light. So this is about the symbol of LED and diode. Then we have a symbol of transistor. So the symbol of transistors look like an alphabet K, where this straight vertical line is a base terminal. The line with arrow on it is emitter terminal and the one which left is a collector terminal. The symbol of both the PNP and NPN transistor looks similar. The only difference is that direction of the arrow on emitter terminal is different. In case of NPN transistor, this arrow is pointing outward, and in case of PNP transistor, this arrow is pointing inward. So this is the symbols of PNP and NPN transistor. Then this is a symbol of capacitor. As we know, in capacitor there are two metal plates separated by an insulating material. So these two vertical lines represents those metal plates. This is a symbol of a polarized capacitor. Polarized capacitor means the capacitor which has a positive and negative terminal. This symbol is a little bit different from this normal capacitor. So here we have one straight line and another line is curved. So this straight line represents positive terminal of capacitor and a curved line indicates negative terminal of capacitor. Then this ring like structure is a inductor symbol. Then this one is a symbol of a photodiode. This symbol is again similar with diode. The only difference is that there are two arrows which are pointing inward. These arrows represents that a light will fall on the photodiode. So that's all about the symbols. Now let's see the first circuit diagram. So here as you can see, this is a symbol of a battery or this is a symbol of a LED as there are two arrows which are pointing outward. Now how to read the circuit diagram. So there are some wires or a lines which have connected these terminals together. So the longer terminal of battery, which is positive terminal, is connected to the positive terminal of LED, and a negative terminal of LED is connected to the negative terminal of battery. So this is how you have to read the circuit diagram, and accordingly you have to do the connection. But can we directly connect LED with a battery? So the answer is no. Why? Because your LED is a low power device. It can handle a voltage max to max up to 2 to 3 volts. But if you directly connect a battery to the LED, then your LED will get damaged. It will get burst. In order to prevent the LED, we need to add one resistor in between so that it can limit the current and we can protect your LED from damage. So now this is a revised circuit diagram. So here we have connected a positive terminal of battery to the one end of resistor. The second end of resistor is connected to LED's positive terminal, and negative terminal of LED is connected to the negative terminal of battery. So this is how you have to read the circuit diagram. Now there are few things which you need to understand while reading the circuit diagram. You first know whether two points are connected or not connected. So how will you figure it out? So as you can see in this particular circuit diagram, there are two wires which are overlapping. But how will you know whether these 2 points are connected or not? So if there is a dot on that overlap or a interconnection, then it means those 2 points are connected. But if there is a wire like this, a curved line or a overlapping wire over there, then it means these 2 points are not connected. So that's all about how to make the circuits. Thanks.